Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Mr. Ballmer's YouTube videos. And what you can see here right on your screen is, in this video, that's a rocket, and not just one rocket. It's the next Mars 2020 mission, which is with the rover Perseverance rover. So it will start in 2 days, 12 hours, 31 minutes and 13 seconds on July the 30th, 2020, and that is a Thursday. So let's go down a little bit to see what we have here. We have the fact sheet of the Perseverance rover. Hopefully it will start on the 30th of July 2020. From a very special spaceport, and we have the landing, which should occur on February the 18th, 2021. And there's a special thing. Well, that thing is the Mars helicopter. For the first time, there's a helicopter attached, and it's right underneath the Perseverance rover. We will go to the Mars helicopter a little right after. This is the rocket, and you can watch it online, of course, and you're invited. Actually, you can send your name to Mars as well with the boarding pass, which you get your boarding pass. The link is on the bottom left side here. You can I will post in the description that you can go and sign up, because now is the boarding time for this mission, for the Perseverance rover. And your name, you will get a boarding pass digitally. Your name is then flying to Mars with this mission. And you can sign up for future Mars missions as well and get the boarding pass, which you can obtain already, which you can get already. So here is the Mars helicopter, but let's go a little bit further down. Yes, it's on the move already. Let's look to the animation and watch what the rover's mission, or what it will do when it hopefully lands on Mars, because it will get some samples. Actually, is looking for biological life, present, may there is, and past life as well. So let's have a look to some of the missions of the Perseverance rover. So that was the animation which you could see of the Perseverance rover. And we go back again. Let's go up a little bit, and we will go to the Mars helicopter. This is the Mars helicopter. This is the Mars helicopter in flight. This is of course a concept that would be awesome if it will do that. I think it will do exactly that on Mars. Shouldn't be a problem at all. So, because when I say that, well, you can see.
Sometimes you have to do something just to show that you can do it. When the Wright brothers flew for the first time, they flew an experimental aircraft. And in the same way, the Mars helicopter is designed to show that we can fly powered helicopter flight in the Martian atmosphere.
From day one, this was the unwavering dream of our team, to get our helicopter launched to Mars so that we can get that opportunity to do that very first rotorcraft flight test in the actual environment of Mars. It's extremely difficult to fly at Mars because the atmosphere is so thin. Compared to Earth, at Mars it's less than 1%. So the first and foremost challenge is to make a vehicle that's light enough to be lifted. And then the second is to generate lift. The rotor system has just been very fast. 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, 2,600. We're spinning between 2,000 and 3,000 revolutions per minute, and it takes a lot of energy. So it's that balance of a very light system, yet having enough energy that's needed to spin the rotor so fast to lift, and on top of it, having to design in the autonomy.
It has to be fully autonomous from the time it takes off to the time it lands. What we do on the ground is we plan the flights, and so we determine from here where we want the helicopter to go.
Our experiment window is 30 Martian days. So we have planned up to 5 flights of incremental difficulty.
The very first flight, the main thing is we want to get the legs off the ground, and so we will basically go up about 3 meters, and we'll hover there, and then we'll come down again, and that will be the first, really major milestone.
Most of our flights will be at the 3 to 5 meter height. We will be going horizontally again at a few meters per second, probably go out, 50, 70 meters and come back. In successive flights, we'll probably push that further, try to go further. So our priority will be to get back engineering telemetry and not so much images, but I'm sure we'll return a few, because they'll always look cool.
At this point, we've tested all we can on Earth. We have mathematical models that shows how it'll fly at Mars, and we've tested it in the simulated environment that we can create on Earth. It really is time now to do the real flight tests at Mars.
Nothing is a given, but we have done everything we can in terms of a test program here on Earth. The vehicle's performing extremely well so far. It's been doing exactly the right thing, even right now when it's bolted onto the Perseverance rover. So there's a very good chance that we'll pull it off, yes. But it's still high risk, and none of us forget that you could have a glitch that, could mean end of mission, yes.
It's going to be exciting, reacting to any surprises we have. We can't wait. What's really most important is everything we're learning here is for the future rotorcraft systems that we want to introduce into space exploration.
So this was a short introduction of the Mars helicopter. And this is the Perseverance rover and the Mars helicopter, which will be attached underneath the Perseverance rover and then released and so to call it, or set free. The Perseverance rover on the ground, and the helicopter, of course, well, in the air. Artist's concept area. So let's go back. There are, of course, other missions as well. The Inside Lander, the Curiosity rover, and yeah, that's very exciting. A new step forward in space exploration, and let's see if that's going to work, and I hope it will. Supposed to be. And yes, this is the next Mars mission. And when the rover taking examples, it will store them, prepare them actually for future Mars missions, which will then pick the samples up and bring them, or should pick it up and bring them back to Earth for further on analysis, like in some labs. Yeah, this is a short update, and in 2 days, 12 hours, 18 minutes and 36 seconds, hopefully the Perseverance rover is on its way to Mars. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and if you like, you can subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, and if you like it, and share if you can, if you want. Thank you very much for listening, and as always, talk to you soon. Peace in.